In this tutorial, what we're going to look at is how to create a column chart. So if you've got a set of data and you want to make the data visible, okay, graphically, what you can do is you can create a chart. Okay, so this is a series of charts that I'm going to show you how to create. The first one I'm going to show you how to create is a column chart. Okay, so this is our column chart. This is our data. So we've got students and the results for test 1. So what we're going to do is create a chart to see that graphically, those results graphically. So first what we're going to do is highlight both the student names and all the results for test 1. Then we're going to go to insert, and then we're going to click on the first one, which is insert a column chart. Now we've got an option to have a 2D chart or 3D one. What we're going to do, I'm just going to click on this 3D one because I like that. Okay, now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is, as you can see, your chart is there. So you've got the list of names of students, you've got the results they've got. Now this chart is not completely finished yet, because we need to correctly label everything. So at the moment, this chart title should be showing me what it represents. So at the moment, it's not representing chart title, is it? So I need to give it an appropriate chart title. So this is a list of student results. So student test 1 results for level 1 group A. Okay, so that's done now. So student results for test 1, level 1 group A. Okay, underneath, this horizontal axis is also known as the x-axis. So we need to give a title for the x-axis. So what we need to do is come over here where it says add chart elements, go to access titles and click on horizontal. And we're going to give this a name. So we're going to call this, student names. And also we're going to give a title to the x-axis, sorry, the y-axis, access titles, and this one vertical one. So this is student scores in percentage. So what we can write in here, results in, and then percent sign, so in percent. Okay, so that's done. So that's your chart correctly labeled with the title, with the y-axis and the x-axis correctly labeled. Now what we could do at the moment, this test result, we don't know what that represents. It could be, it's between 90 and 80. We can guess, or we can highlight over it and it'll tell us it's 86, or what we can do is put some data labels in. So I'm going to go to, once again, add chart elements, go to data labels. What we're going to do is, at the moment, the only option it gives us is data callout. If we go to more data labels, what it should automatically tick is the value one. So if I get rid of value, okay, what you want is the value one. Okay, sorry, yeah, so data values. So make sure data values is selected. So what it does, it shows the data values on top of the graphs, and then that's it. Okay, that's your graph complete. So that's your fully completed column graph with the axis is correctly labeled, correct title, not just test results. You need to clearly show what those test results are representing. So these results are showing student test 1 results for level 1 group A. So exactly by just looking at the title, you know what that graph is showing you. Now, what you can do also is, if you want to change the colors of each of these individually, what you can do is click on them. So now, as you can see, let me just do that again. If I click on originally, all 5 bars are highlighted. But if I just want to highlight one of them, all I have to do is click on it again. Now what I can do is change the color of this. So if I double click on this, hopefully it should come out with this panel, format option. Now I'll go to the fill option. At the moment, fill. Okay, it's solid automatic. So what I want to do is solid fill and change the color of that. Let's change it to red. And now that bar is red. So we're going to do the same thing again for another one. Click on that, double click on it individually. Once again, color, solid fill, and we'll turn that one green. Okay, so that's how you create a chart, in a column one, and we'll also look at different charts such as pie charts and a break-even chart.